So I wanted to know, how is joy related to creativity?
Well, I think, if we're talking about joy following on the dissatisfaction with the way things are, I think it's because we feel joy when, although we're dissatisfied, we begin to imagine the way things might be, that things might be otherwise. And so joy and creativity, I think, are really bound up closely together, because when we're able to imagine another way to be in the world, or a different kind of world, where we care about different kinds of things, and we're committed to protecting our children and creating a safe place for all to live. A lot of the joy that comes out of, I think, the dissatisfaction with the way things are comes from the creative imagining of the way things might be.